Ever felt like your reading experience could use a little spark? Like, imagine your favorite book coming to life right before your eyes. Well, that's where Vivid comes in. Vivid isn't just another e-reader. It's a revolutionary platform that transforms the way you experience stories. Think beyond static text. Vivid brings books to life with stunning visuals, immersive soundscapes, and even interactive elements. It's like stepping into the pages of your favorite novel. Imagine reading a fantasy epic and witnessing a dragon soar across the sky, its fiery breath illuminating the page. Or, while diving into a thrilling mystery, hearing the rain lash against the window, adding to the suspense. Vivid makes these experiences a reality. But it's not just about the visuals and sounds. Vivid lets you interact with the story in unique ways. Make choices that impact the narrative, explore hidden scenes, and even collect digital collectibles tied to your reading journey. It's like playing an interactive movie, but with the depth and richness of a captivating book. For avid readers, Vivid opens up a whole new world of immersive storytelling. It enhances your reading experience, making it more engaging and memorable. It's perfect for those who love to lose themselves in fantastical worlds, experience thrilling adventures, and connect with stories on a deeper level. But it's not just for die-hard bookworms. Vivid can also inspire a love of reading in younger audiences. By bringing stories to life with vibrant visuals and interactive elements, it makes reading fun and exciting for children, encouraging a lifelong passion for books. Addressing potential concerns. Now, you might be wondering, does this mean traditional reading is dead? Absolutely not. Vivid complements the traditional reading experience. It offers a new and exciting way to engage with stories while still preserving the magic of the written word. Ready to experience the future of reading? Download the Vivid app today and embark on a journey of immersive storytelling. Discover a world where your favorite books come to life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.